Hello, please, can you still see my screen? I'm still sharing my screen, so I want to confirm that my screen is
I can see your mirror bot screen, so go on.
all right. All right. So our design brief is to design a clear target, community based on a specific shared interests. For example, book lovers, dog owners, amateur astronomers. So we went ahead and chose book lovers since our target audience would be mainly youths. So we carried out our user research through online survey, and we're able to generate our 5 views and each for the problem statements. So most of the pain points that the users complain about is an uninteractive book reading app. So by by getting our um, responses from the users, we're able to come up with a major problem statement, which is a non-responsive book reading app. So we decide to add this community or a chat box feature into the book reading app that will be designing. So we also came up with our user empathy Vice partner is Joanna Jackson, who is 23 years old. He's a student and the location is Ghana. One of his let me just Joanna is a student at a renowned university and is pursuing a degree in health information management. Passion for reading, she devotes considerable time to both academic requirements and personal reading. She actively engages in the university's literary society and frequently joins book talks and writing sessions. So the goals of Joanna includes to gain knowledge and skills to prepare for a career in health information, balance academic commitment with personal interest effectively, and maintain an high GPA and excel in her personal projects. So the challenges she's been facing includes maintaining comfort during long reading periods, accessing academic and leisure books which are relevant and interesting, then managing busy schedules like classes and other activities while making time to read. Then from our response, we quoted that it can be difficult to strike a balance between our passion of reading and our health information management coursework. And in addition to meeting our academic demands, she needs an app that will let her find and read new books whenever she has free time. So it's just one user persona to represent the remaining users. So our empathy map for the users says does and feels. So what she's okay, so to because I was giving just 10 minutes just the task flow. So from that screen, the user will move to the onboarding screen that would comprise of the sign up, the welcome screen. Then from there, they would move to the sign up or sign in. So just move ahead and log into their um, account. But if they are a new user, they will have to sign up first and create an account. And then they will they move to where they would see different book genres, um, maybe novels or anything they want to read. Then after clicking on a particular book that they are interested in reading, the next screen would be to display the book detail plus the ratings and all. Then after they can go to the after the book details screen, they can now move to the community. They can about different ideas from different users. Then from there, I think that's all for now. Then I'll be moving to my Figma to my Figma. So, please, can you see my screen now, sir?
I can see your screens in now.
All right, sir. So I guess Bentil forgot to add the splash screen, which is the like the introduction to the app rather. So I'll be moving to the landing page, which is like a welcome page for the users. So it's either the if the user is a returning user, the user would click on sign in. But if the user is a new user, the user would have to, oh, she made a mistake here actually. It's supposed to be sign up. So from there, they'll be taken to the home page, which is for them to view various books that are available, or can they also have the opportunity to search for the particular book they want to read. So on set get to the particular book, then the screen will display the details of the book as we can see pages and languages that the book is being read. Then there is also a menu here where they can either download which consists of options customized to your own choice or allowed. Then this was executed twice. Then we also have okay, download, then it will redirect to probably Play Store, a downloading platform where they can get various books, or where they can actually download the particular book they want to. They'll move to their profile. They'll move to their profile where we show them um their followers. They will be able to network through the profile will also help them to the books their previous books before, or the ones they have not completed. So I guess that's all for my presentation, sir. So I'm done with the presentation, sir. That's all, sir.
All right. Right. Okay. That's nice. You sent me the link to your Figma because yesterday you only sent the Miro board link.
Yes,
I'm not sure
Benty
you sent the
Benty
Figma
already
link to me
sent you
yet.
the. Benty said she helped me send it, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay. I saw a link from Lois. I saw a link from Lois. But the link I saw from Lois looks like our workspace link. It's our workspace link that she sent, not the group 5 link.
Yes, yes, the I think she made a mistake there. So I already converted it to my own Figma environment. So probably maybe I'll send the one for my Figma to you, sir.
All right, please send that one so that I can have direct access. So you
All
guys
right.
all did well. I think this is the final group to present, right? Or is there any other group? A, one group presented yesterday. I think we are still having one more group to present, but I'm not sure they are on call today because I've not had anything from anybody again. Do we still have any group that is yet to present? Taufika, please remind me. Do we have any group that is yet to present? Because yesterday we had from, I think group 4 presented yesterday, and today now group
Yeah,
5 has
yeah,
presented.
yeah. So we are left with group two.
We are left with group 2. I thought as much also. I thought as much also that we are left with group 2. So I believe no member of group 2 is here and nobody is ready to step up for group 2. Like there's nobody ready to step up for group 2. If Oluwa is not on call also, she has been the one identifying as group 2 all this while, but I guess he's not on call today. So nobody to identify as group 2. In the absence of group 2, all right, let me open up some of my files. You guys have really did an amazing job. I need to commend you for that. Is someone trying to speak? If someone trying to speak, if you're trying to speak, let me know and you the mic.
Oh, I think it's because Zainab has not muted her mic and she has done that.
All right then, okay. Okay, I promise you guys a review, but I will not be able to do a full in-depth review today because I've actually been I've been very busy today and I've had so much to do, but I have promised a review. I need to do a review. So, group 1, can we all hear me? Or do we have anybody from group 2 here now? I'm not sure. Group 2 members are ghosts. It's feeling like they do not exist. But let me even pull out my group list where I wrote everyone. Okay, all the group 2 members I have on my list here. Lovely, Mary, Lauren, Ifeoluwa, Ellen. Nobody's on call. Loveline, Mary, Lauren, Ifeoluwa, Ellen. Okay. Nobody identified as them. So let me just move on. So group 1 project says smart home app. Design a smart home app. And you guys actually did a very nice presentation. You guys gave a very nice presentation, being the first to go with the presentation. You guys did a good job. Taufika, let me make you co-host in case my network breaks, because I've been noticing some break here. Let me make you co-host so that we'll not lose all of our hosts if I get kicked out by network. Okay, that being done. Design Titans, you guys are group 1, right? Only. Yes, Omi. Let me share my Figma screen so that we all can see what I am doing. Okay, Zainab, I've received your Figma link. I will check that out later. Now, group 1, are you here? Can you kindly identify by dropping messages in the chat room? Group 1 members that are on call, the Design Titans. Okay, I have 1 person, 2. You guys are 6 in the group. I'm hoping to get at least 5 response. 3 of you. 4. Okay, nice. So just four of you. Nicole, Jen, Eugenia, Happiness. Okay. All right. I read through your presentation, and I decided to go through what you have done here. Though your brainstorming session, I would not be able to understand what you guys were talking about when you jot all of this down, but I figured out you guys are actually trying to determine what the app components will be, the functional components, and all of that, which is quite nice. But I noticed you guys focused only on the energy saving end of the smart app. The design brief says that, let me quickly read up the design brief. The design brief says this project challenges you to design a mobile application for a smart home that addresses a specific user need. You will utilize design thinking principles to develop user-centered, blah, blah. Then we now have the specific needs. I was expecting that you add other needs also, like security and remote monitoring also would give your app more flair. But you only focus on energy management. That's energy saving only. That was what you guys focused on. And all of these needs are actually very, very important to be embedded in a smart home app. And as you have said, Omi, your Omi app, let me start calling the app Omi, because you are still going to develop every part of the app. That being said, your user persona, I would want you to work on your user persona again. Work as a team again on this. You guys go back, research on user persona designs. Give your user persona a better design. User persona also requires some design work to be done on them. That is what I'm simply put, what I'm trying to say here is that your user persona can look better than what I am currently seeing. I like the fact that you have information about the users that you are talking about. You have their information, you have some of their basic information, then you highlight their frustration and their goals and some of their behaviors also. Nice, but make this into a better graphics. that's one thing I want from you. I would love to see that, and I know that you can do better than this on the user persona end. Reading through the screenshot of your response here, of the respondents here, is actually quite nice. Okay, yes, I noticed one thing here also. Your tax flow, even though this was not part of your presentation because of the time constraint, and the presenter might have accidentally skipped this, but from your start screen, which is your onboarding screen, we move to the screen where you determine if you have an account. You either log in or you sign up. Nice. So after your login, it leads you to the home screen. Now, from here, things get a little bit mushy for me. Like I'm not following. If there's someone here or someone in group one that can help pinpoint what is happening from here. From the home screen, you are talking about a dashboard that slash access to room. You're talking about room devices, turn on and off devices, choose scene. I could not really follow this. And this button that returns you to home screen also, because login here comes all the way down here to return to home screen. I'm not really getting this part, or I could not really wrap my head around this part very well. But the upper part of your user flow makes sense. The upper part of your user flow actually makes sense. I was able to follow through to this part, but from here, it all gets a little bit confusing for me. Can anybody still hear me, please? Just send up a flare. Let me know you can still hear me. So that being said about your mood board, let's move to the design itself. Nice work. Your mid fidelity, seeing this, I was able to figure out, okay, you guys are going for a home as that's like the silhouette of a home. Nice. It's going to make sense when you guys are finally doing your high fidelity design, because you guys the presenter said that these 3 screens have been made to be mid fidelity. Interesting. I can see. I like your. Okay, let me, so that we all can see this clearly. Let me turn off the grid system. Yeah, better. Okay, let me see. Yes, your sign-in page, Facebook login, the email, the password, simple sign in and sign up. Nice one. I like this. But I am looking at something. When you're moving to your high fidelity, I would implore you to, let me see the size of this frame. Height is 48. Height is 48. Okay. Maybe when you move to your mid fidelity, we'll be able to contrast better between the background and the items on the background, because right now they are both blurring in. The background and the item are both blurring in. Maybe it's because we are using grayscale, and you could really turn down your grayscale a bit more for us to have a better view of the items here. Yes, this is much better now. I have a better view of your items here, but this is actually good. I like this, but okay, I think this was what the presenter explained, that here you have your favorite items. But I think I give a suggestion to the presenter on that day, that you can, instead of favorite item, you can also have it as items consuming the most energy. Since you are focusing on energy consumption only, you can have this as the item consuming most energy, like energy consumption item, and it would like give a simple dashboard feel to the user, telling the user that, okay, your refrigerator and your air condition have consumed a total of 10 megawatts of energy. Okay, yeah, or 10 units of energy or 100 units of energy in the last 6 hours. So that data is actually quite distant. Then we can now have different navigations here, but right now I do not know where these are pointing to because they are still low fidelity wireframe. So you guys have better explanation of everything here, and there's no legend for me to work with. So devices per room, okay, the devices in a room, maybe you have moved into a room, the room name and everything. But so far so good. Your designs are good. I am really, really proud of you guys. I am proud of you guys. Seriously, you guys did a good job, or a great job at it, by the way. So I would want us to now, excuse me a minute. I've been having nasal congestion for a while. I feel like it's not going anywhere. I need a better cure for this. Okay. So try and work on your, as I've said, work on your, excuse me. Sorry about that. I'm back. Oh, I'm even surprised. Okay, did you guys grant me edit access to this file, group one members? Because I was surprised that I'm able to edit it. Maybe your link is, oh, okay, anyone can edit. That's what your link says. Okay. But work on your user persona. Can you hear me? Please, I just unmuted my mic again. I don't know if you can hear me. So work on your user persona, make it.
Yes, we can hear you.
All right, thank you, Tafika. Make your user persona much better. We are designers, please. We need to always make sure that whatever we do comes out well as a design. Whatever we do comes out well as a design. So that even this user persona are something that you can share and let people know that, okay, we are on a learning path, and so far so good. We are creating beautiful and amazing user personas. And also, can someone unmute and explain this to me among group one members? Please, let's quickly round this up so I can move to the next group. Can someone unmute and explain this to me? You can come on.
Can you
Jen.
hear me, please?
Okay, Jen, I can hear you.
Please, if you could kindly zoom in
Yes,
for
please,
me.
I can hear you, Jen.
Can you kindly zoom in for me?
Okay.
So
Yes.
the
Can you see
idea
my
was
screen now?
that,
Can you see better
yes,
now?
please. Yes, I can. So idea was that when you start the app, if you don't have an account, you log in. If you don't have an account, you sign up. If you have an account, you log in. Then you come to the home screen, and then on the home screen, we have a
Okay.
dashboard. And then on
Okay.
the same home screen, we have rooms. It's either we will have a room or we will have devices. It's just an ideation, so we haven't really thought of what we will have on the home screen. Whether
Okay. Can I
devices
quickly
or just
jump in there, Jen?
okay.
I think it will be better if you guys decide to put the rooms in the navigation pane, because I'm seeing that you only have 3 items in your navigation pane for now, though it's still low fidelity. So I don't know what you guys are putting in your navigation pane, but you have 3 items there. So you can increase the number of items in your navigation pane. You can have rooms. You can have add, that's a add button where you can add new devices or add new rooms. That's a plus button can be there. You can have your rooms there. You can have the profile there. So why not pull that one down to navigation pane? So it's easier for you to navigate to rooms or other security feature. Just a suggestion. Take note of that. So you can continue.
So if you select a room, then inside that room, we have appliances, either light, fan, air condition. You can either choose to turn on or off. And then you come down and then choose a
That's
scene.
where we have
If you are
room
watching,
device.
yeah, if you are watching a movie, you can choose to a scene that you want. Maybe you want cool lights. If you're having a party, you want bright lights. You can choose a scene in a particular room. So, and then you can edit. You can either edit, delete a scene, and then you then you save. After you save it, so you can either create, edit, or delete a scene or automation that you have. You can add a schedule, like at 6 p.m., you want the lights to be off at 6 p.m. So you can either create, edit, or delete. And then you save the changes. And then you come to, after saving the changes, you either return to the home screen or you log out and then come to the login screen.
Now, Jen, okay, I think now that you have explained this way now, I've been able to get it. But by default, I should not need you to come and explain for me to get it. The reason why it was a bit difficult for me to understand is because you arranged everything on a straight line, like this screen moves to this screen, moves to this screen, moves to this screen. But also, you could have branched it out. You could have branched out when you select rooms, you move into devices, or in rooms, you can select your devices, and your devices, you can choose to turn on and off your devices. So let your flow can move in different direction and still come back to the same to the same point eventually. So try and work more on this. Now, here that you call scene, maybe if you have called it ambience light or choose ambience or choose lightning, it should have been better. Try and get better UX copy. There's something called UX copy. That's user experience copy. Wordings that would communicate what you are trying to say to everyone easily, that everyone will be able to understand what you're trying to say without requiring an interpreter or someone an explainer. Remember, in our first week of class, I said that the best UX design are UX design that do not require a user manual. When you create your UI and UX design and you present it, no user manual should be needed again because it should be self-explanatory. So go back to your drawing board, yourself and your team, meet up, try and branch this thing out. It can be bigger than this. You can flesh it out more than this. And that way we would get a better understanding of it. But I get you now. It makes more sense to me now after you've explained. Okay, so I think let me open up group 3's design. Thank you, group 1. Great job, guys. I would be looking out for how you would redesign your user persona. And when you are done, group leader, reach out to me when you are done with the user persona. You can even export it and send to me. You can export it and send to me, or you can reach out to me and I'll come over and preview it. So thank you very much, every member of group 1. Can we give them a round of applause? Can we all give them a round of applause? Where are my reactions? Where are my reactions? Where are my reactions? I can't find my reactions here. I would love to give group 1 a round of applause. Yeah, thank you, Fortune. Let me just copy what Fortune did. I wanted to use reactions before, but I could not find reactions. Yeah, that's it, Jen. Jen found a reaction. but I could not find mine, funny enough. So great work. Let's move to the next group. Group 3. Group 3, group 3, group 3. Who is that? Who is the group leader of group 3 again? Let me see. Let me go back to my Slack and pick out your.
Agatha is the group leader, sir.
Okay, all right. I'll open up
Agatha is the group leader.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll open up Agatha's message now and pop up their page. You guys use Miroboard. Oh crap! I'm not logged into Miroboard yet. Oh, okay. Agatha is not on call. I thought as much. I've not seen her on call. Oh, poor network. Okay, that's tough. But I'm trying to load up the Miro board now. I've been able to load up the Figma page, but the Miro board is coming right up. The Miro board is taking minutes to load. Okay, I've been able to get the Miro board up and running. I think this is it. Let's share this. Okay. What I was able to notice here, I'm just checking the Miro board now because I could not access it before. Excuse me. Can you hear me? Same thing that applies to group 1. Group 3, I need a better user persona from you. I need a better design. Go online, check out user persona designs. Go on Dribble, go on check out user persona designs. Give me something better than this. Oh, you guys are the one that worked on the donation app. So yeah, good one. Your empathy map says, feel, thinks, and does. It's actually nice. All right, so looking at the flow, looking at the user flow, looking at your user flow. It's called landing page when you're working on a mobile app. It's called the onboarding screen. Like everything that happens, the sign up is called the onboarding screen. But welcome, personal information, sign up by creating an account. Okay. Donate now button. You're supposed to land on an home page first. Please note this when you are working on your high fidelity design. There should be an home page. The home page would list out the courses available. That is, feed a child course, send a child to school course, help people learn tech skill. Like there should be different courses that one can donate to. So those courses can be listed out on the home page. You click on them, then maybe there will be a donate button attached to each and every the card of each and every course. How can I better explain this? Are you with me, or group members? How many of you are on call? How many of group 3 members are on call now? Note, say hi to on the chat room. Let me see how many group 3 members are on call. Okay, Folashade, you are here. Folashayo, sorry, Folashayo. Okay. Are you the only one? Okay, someone just sent a message in the chat room also. So we have Folashayo, we have Gladys, we have Fortune. That's 3 of you. 3 of you, just 3 of you. Okay. Just 3 of you. Okay. No worries. No worries. But let's not just jump to the donate now button. Let there be courses that, because in your in your user persona, you said that your users have issues knowing where to donate, or knowing they want to know how their money is being spent. They want a follow-up system. They want to know what the cost they are donating to. So you need to give that information when we land on the home page. Let me see the course. I can choose to read more, or I can just choose to donate. So they can be read more how you're going to go about that. This is nice, your user journey, but you guys are not using complementing colors. Blue, black, they are both dark colors. Let me see if I can edit this. Blue and black are both dark colors. This will have contrast. Look at this now. White contrast. is a better contrast, please. Note that we are designers or services like, give me a minute. Let me see if I can quickly open it on a new tab. Colors. You can use colors.co. Like this. This will show you complementary colors. Now, where is it? Let me pick the color code for this. It's not giving me the color code, but dark blue. Okay. You guys just pick dark blue. So let me just pick dark blue here. You see that it will show you complementary colors that will contrast better on such designs. So make use of this, because these colors are not contrasting well. The color contrast here is not top notch at all. It's quite it's white is way better. Blue now and black. It goes perfect. It's almost perfect. Not 100% perfect though. This kind of dark color also on black. Nah. If you are, so let me select a color and you will see other complementing colors to such colors. Let me just accept cookies. I'm not logging on this system here to see this, but let me just use let me power up the color generator, and I will change colors, and you will see how colors are being complemented. If you have an image also, let's say you have an image that you are working with and you want to get all the color codes of the colors in that image, you can just bring the image to this site, upload such image. If you upload the image, it will bring you the color palette of that image. Can you see my screen of these colors? Because I've switched the primary screen I was sharing, and sometimes my screen will not show. If you can see my screen, just say, "We see you, we see you, we see you." Sorry, I'm always making you type weird things in the chat room. So these are different colors now. Like you can generate random colors if you want to work with. Notice something here now. You see that when they get to a darker color, they change the text to white so that it can contrast better. Color contrast is quite important. So you need to know how to work with that. Come down here later and see palette generator, explore palette, image picker, colors from image would help you better understand how to use color and how to interact with colors. We are designers. Okay, let me see if I can do what you guys did there earlier. Dark blue. Was it a dark blue? It was not a very dark blue. Something around here. So this is the blue. Okay, no, let me use the blue as the background. Let me use the blue as the background. Let me use the dark blue as the background. Can you see now? I use the dark blue and this very low, 1.05. Now let me use black. See, it's still very poor, the contrast score. But let's go all the way to white. See? Super. Perfect contrast. Dark blue background, light color. So you see that as I'm coming down, the contrast is getting poor. As I'm going back up, it's getting better. Did we get me? Do you all get me? Did we all get me? I was getting a yes in the chat room, or a yes, or someone should unmute your mic and say yes. So back here, reconnecting. Which is reconnect? Okay. I'm still connected on Zoom. All right. Okay. Donate now. Delivery materials. Yeah. Just you need like 1 or 2 more steps before you get to donate now. I think. payment information where you choose. Then this is not supposed to lead you all the way back to home screen. Like from here now, you are supposed to link all the way back to home screen. Because, well, get your home screen ready. And this, I believe the group members are taking note of everything I'm saying. I am really, really saying things on a high speed. So I hope you guys are taking note of them. So let me share my Figma screen now. Go. Okay, so here is your low fidelity wireframe. Interesting. Okay. Listening to the presentation yesterday, the day before. So you have two onboarding screens. I believe these two screens will slide into each other. So I think I get everything happening here. Then this is the login page. Okay, username, password, login, social login down here. The sign up page, nice. Now from here, donation. Remember I said there should try and create an home page. Like let there be an home page where different courses that people can donate to will be listed out. So when we have that, it makes it easier for them to pick out their donation before we now move to all of these donate button, donation amount, donation type, okay, payment, donation, review payment, received, email, okay. So the receipts can be shared or something. Okay, yeah. Where we move to donation amounts, you only did this thing that flows for monetary donation. There is no screen that flows for the material donations as it was displayed in your user flow. So let's have that also done. This is nice. But stage 2,
We have not added that.
let's start bringing low fidelity to mid fidelity and things. Folasha, you said what? Okay, I think that was a mistake from Folasha. All right. Great job, group 2. Let's give group 2 a round of applause also. They did a very good job. This is not a small feat. This is not a small feat. Let's give them a round of applause also. Yeah, let's encourage them. We are all doing well, and I believe by the end of all of this, we have very beautiful designs. So group 2, you have your own tasks also. Work on them. Make everything better. Make everything better. Make everything better. So group 3. I keep saying group 2. You guys are group 3. Group 3, make everything better. Yes, Taufika, thank you. I noticed, I put myself back when I noticed that I was saying rubbish. So the next group I'll be looking at now should be group 4. Group 4 presented yesterday also. Group 4 presented yesterday, and group 4. Who sent me group 4 file? I think that was Ozana. Someone sent me group 4 files. Okay, I'm opening up group 4 files now, and I will share my screen to their page. Yeah, Ozana, I've seen what you sent me on group 4 files. Group 4 member, can you see this? I have no access to your Miro board. I have to request access. So I've just requested access. I hope you can be able to give me access on time. So right now, let me move to group 5. Zainab sent a file in. Let's hope Zainab 2 will not have locked me out. So I'm opening up the 5 work instead. Oh, you had a call just now. Sorry about that. My network kicked me out for a minute. I'm back now. So I have successfully opened group 5 board. So this is group 5's board, but I am group 4. If you have enabled me to view your board, let me know. So board, but right now I'm on group 5's board. Same thing applies to you also, group 5. We need you to make your user persona better. Please make your user persona better. This is good. This carries all the information I need, but we need it to be a better design. I like the way you created your empathy map. Nice. And your W's and H in your, excuse me. For your book reading app, it's quite nice. let me see your user flow. I am more concerned about the flow of task. Okay, let me see. Sign up and log in session for a book, reading a book, making comments and emphasis, discovering new books, managing your library. Okay. Okay. Reading interface, adjust colors, brightness. Okay. Bookmark. Nice. Let me see. Move all the way to onboarding screen. You get the sign and the sign up request, sign up, login, home page. So from the home page, book selection, book detail. Okay, let me switch to your design. Time is not my friend. I still have work to do tonight. So I'm very sorry. I am rushing you guys, or I am rushing all of this a bit, but I hope. Okay, so looking at this now, it looks actually very good. But this gives me, this reminds me of a book reading app I've used. I think that should be. This reminds me of. This looks kind of like any books because I am very used. I'm very familiar with book reading apps. I actually looks like that. But something that is missing on your home page is not that we have your home page. On your home page, the first thing I should see on my home page is the current book I am reading and how far I have gone with that book. Now, if that one comes first, then I can have favorite books or suggestions based on books I have read or based on my interests. Group 5 members, are you here? Are you getting me? Please signify how many of you are here before I start. Before I drop too
Yes, sir.
much of the big talks. Let me. I have members here. I know you are here, Zainab. You need to know others that are here also. Just Zainab and Lois. Oh, okay. Just Zainab and Lois are available. Let me send my email to Shakira so that you can enable me view your file. Shakira, I've sent email. Group 4 enable me a start. Before I'm through with group 5 now, I'll be through with group 5 in a minute. Okay, let me repeat what I said earlier again. On your home screen, let's not just have a list of books. And this is something that we designers do a lot. We just duplicate items because that's the same item that we want to have, because that's every other items are lookalike items. Let's not be duplicating the same item. You could have just changed the names of the books. So we have Wizard of Oz. You can do Beauty and the Beast. You can do Harry Potter and the Chambers of Secrets. You can do John Grisham, The Firm. You can, so there are books that you can just list out there. So I mean, this like is looking a bit boring. But try and have the current book you are reading, how far you have gone, or how many percentage you have gone, book suggestion based on your interest. Then the search bar can now come up and you can now search for other books. I like this interface. This interface showing when you click on a book, like Alice in the Wonderland, okay? When you click on the book, you see the book ratings, number of pages the book has, the language the book is written in, and a little bit of the synopsis of the book. Nice. I like the fact that you guys are using the site hamburger menu. That's it comes in as an overlay and it gives you a list of some options. That's download, customize. Nice. Okay, like this is nice. This is quite nice. Discover books. Now, this is also a nice section that you can have as your navigation bar. You can have this discover in your navigation bar. I noticed you guys did not create any navigation bar option here. Your screens are just flowing to the end. Note that when you are editing this and when you are creating your mid fidelity wireframe. This is even mid fidelity already though, because you have so many contents here. But make it look better. Make it look better. I'm not sure I've shown you guys grid and having margins and all. Maybe I will we will do that. But I will speak to my co-facilitator so that we can discuss what she will be taking you next week. And that way she can include some of what I've noticed so far here. Yes, it's good that this is here now. Okay, downloaded. This is here. That is number of the percentage of books that you have read. But there should be the last book that you have read should come up in the home page. When the home page is coming up, this home page is boring. Upgrade it. So you have your tax now. Let's just do all these ones that I've highlighted for us, and then we can now do we can now give you much more. We cannot give much more difficult tax, or we can now move on to the next stage. Let me not call it difficult. So let's eat our hands together for group 5. Group 5, amazing also. Where's my reaction? My reaction has disappeared again. I think once I start sharing my screen, I can't react again. While I was not sharing my screen, I saw reaction. Now that I'm sharing my screen, reaction has disappeared. Yeah, I want to react also. Yeah, take your hands. You guys did a good job. Nice one. Okay, let me quickly check out what group 4, the invite group 4 have sent to me. Because I noticed that for group 4, your Figma file is embedded into your Miro board, right? Because when the presenter, I think just Shakira and these ladies that presented, so you guys embedded, sorry. You embedded your, so far so good, book lovers, group 3. I've not seen your request yet. I'm yet to see your request. Taufika, I'm sorry, Shakirat. I've viewed all of this. 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 Okay, let me open up my email and see. Maybe just I try checking my. Okay, I'm checking my email now. Let me check my inbox and see if there is a mail I've missed there. Negative. There's no mail in my inbox. Let me check my spam folder or my junk folder, as case may be. Shakirat, I've sent my email again. Try and confirm it. Just copy and send it to me. Because there's no mail from, I have no mail. You are now among the members. I'm among the members now. Okay. Let me just use the link directly then. Let me use the link from my Slack. Maybe it's because I'm trying to check it out on my dashboard, but it's not on my dashboard. So maybe the link for my Slack will do better. It's a miss for Slack, right? Second, not again, man.
I don't think we've
no attempts yet from the two of them. Okay, sorry guys, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, first thing first, this is the first thing that got my attention. These personas are awesome. They can be better, but this is good. Like, this is what I'm talking about. If you give me this, I would still accept this. These are nice personas. Like, these user personas are nice. So let's give it up for group eco-friendly group. I think that's group 4. Let's give it up for group 4 first. Let's give them a round of applause for this. This is great job. Nice personas, yeah. So the rest of us, we see what we can model our persona towards, right? So let's take note of that. Good job, group 4. You're already winning my heart, but no, I'm not going to be biased in this. I will stay unbiased. So let me look through it. Your user registers an account, user logs in, user tries to verify, goes back to login, and boom, gets to gift choices. I'm more concerned about the flows. I would check out your UX data. If there's anything wrong with it, I'll talk to the group leaders myself. User chooses echo gift. Okay. Is user satisfied? No. User go back to choosing items. Items are added to cart. You pay for your item. You review your transaction and you log out. Okay. This is nice. This is a nice flow, but I was expecting that you guys would have you would make it look more like an e-commerce platform for gifting. Now, that means if it's an e-commerce platform for gifting, it's supposed to have categories. It's supposed to have categories and every other thing should be there. not just so we need an home page. 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 Yeah, home page is missing from this your flow. We just move from after we have verified to just choose gift items. Which type of gift item are we choosing? Am I just buying a car for someone as gift item? That's an electric car now. Since it's an eco-friendly gift also that I can get for someone. So you see, so we need to know have categories. We need to have categories and a home page, or a home page that shows more of like an overview of what we are doing, or that can show list of vendors or trending vendors, trending gifts in this period. Let me quickly view your Figma file view. Expand. I'm tired. The Figma plugin is taking too long to come up, so I'm pushing the design to Figma. I have more than one Figma account here, so I always have to select which one I want to use. The other one is actually more of a business account. Okay. Okay, the Figma page has opened completely. Nice splash screen, echo gift. You guys are already coming up looking nice. So, okay, we move through the 3-slide screen of the onboarding screen. Nice, of the welcome screen. Okay, then we come here to choose our sign or sign up. Looking nice, looking nice. Now, when we land on the dashboard, okay. So now here we have all of these. You can have some cards and make it better, but okay, we have a dashboard before you select item. So here now you just items. Maybe we just have a Tesla here or something. But it's supposed to be categorized gift items. Since it's gift items, it can be categorized maybe by event, by occasion, wedding gift items, wedding eco-friendly gift items, a baby shower, eco-friendly gift items, like let's just have categories up there. Oh, you can't see my screen. Sorry about that. I guess I'm still, I was still sharing. That's weird. You should be able to see my screen. I was sharing the Figma screen. Oh, sorry about that. How about now? I have switched the screen I'm currently sharing. Quick message. Can you see my screen now? Okay, someone has responded. Yes, all right. Visible, surely. Okay, yeah. I have moved through all of these, eco-friendly, the slide screens, the sign-in. I'm okay with most of your onboarding section are actually nice, but as I've said, it can be better. I am expecting or I'm looking forward to what you guys will create in your mid-fidelity, going to have a whole lot of comments. But for now, it's looking nice. It's looking nice. But yeah, I need this to become better. Let's have categories here. Gift categories. So let's have categories. Let's have trending gifts. Gifts people are actually giving to their friends and loved ones. So all of that. Let's make this dashboard let's make it dashing. Okay. Where were we? Okay. When you pick an item, you add to carts, you pick the item for you buy all the items now, you move to transaction history. What is this? Favorite, profit. Okay. When you say buy now, we can have screen of payment screen also. Payment screen address, the screen when you enter your payment, when you enter your delivery address and your confirmation screen. Before we now have transaction history, favorite page, use the favorite page or okay, pages that you have favorited, that you have saved for later. Okay, that goes. Profile is a low fidelity wireframe. I wouldn't say, but this profile is not profiling. Yeah, let me use that word. Even though the word does not exist, but this profile is not profiling well enough. Let's do better. So let's all apply the simple upgrade I've given us for now. Maybe I will share all of this with my co-facilitator. She would have her own comment also, so she can give you feedback when you guys meet on Tuesday for your class. Tuesday or Wednesday? When is your class? I think Wednesday. The class is supposed to be Wednesday, yeah. On Wednesday for your class. And whatever she has to add to it, she would add. Yeah, Taufika, thank you. Wednesday, confirmed. Okay, so let's give a round of applause. In fact, let's all celebrate ourselves. We all did a great job. Every one of us, every group. I hope all of these groups that I'm celebrating now, most of you are not silent members there. Hope most of you are not just silent members on the group that did nothing at all. So great jobs, great job. We will do better. We, as I've said, upgrade them, and let's see between now and Tuesday. I hope I will receive them between now and Tuesday. Confirmation from group leaders. Zainab, will I get your updated persona and the correction that I've mentioned? Agatha is not on call. Let's tell Agatha that I need to get it before noon on Tuesday. Nicole, before noon on Tuesday, let me have your updated personas and everything I've said on the call. Happiness, collage, Shayo. So let me get the update. The attendance have been posted. Fill out the attendance. Let's round up the class now. I need to relax. And for our sisters in East Africa, it's late night already. It's already it's almost 11 p.m. So great job, everyone, all around. You guys did well, but excuse me, there's still a lot more for us to do. There's still room for improvement, and there's still a whole lot more for us to learn. So we meet again in class. Thank you. Have a good night's rest.